The summer monsoon season in Kerala, India, is usually a time of vibrant green landscapes and refreshing showers. The monsoon rains bring life to the region, nurturing the fields and filling the rivers. The people of Kerala eagerly await this season every year as it rejuvenates the land and their spirits. But in the summer of 2001, something strange happened. The usual monsoon rains took a bizarre turn, leaving the residents of Kerala both puzzled and alarmed. From late July to September, the skies opened up, and instead of the usual life-giving rain, a crimson downpour painted the land. The rain was not just tinged with red, it was a deep, unsettling crimson that stained everything it touched. This wasn't just a light drizzle with a reddish tint, it was a full-blown downpour of what appeared to be blood-red rain. The intensity and color of the rain were unlike anything the locals had ever seen before. This unusual phenomenon, quickly dubbed blood rain, sparked fear and bewilderment among the locals. People were seen gathering in the streets looking up at the sky in disbelief, and discussing the possible reasons behind this eerie occurrence. Reports of the red rain spread like wildfire, turning into sensational stories. Newspapers and TV channels were abuzz with theories and speculations, each more dramatic than the last. The phenomenon quickly became the talk of the town, with everyone from children to elders weighing in with their thoughts. Some people believed it was a sign of impending doom, while others saw it as a divine message. The red rain was interpreted in various ways, reflecting the diverse beliefs and superstitions of the region. For some, it was a harbinger of disaster, while for others, it was a mystical event with spiritual significance. The scientific community was also intrigued, and a flurry of theories emerged to explain this bizarre meteorological event. Researchers collected samples of the red rain and conducted various tests to determine its composition. Theories ranged from the presence of red algae to extraterrestrial origins, each adding to the mystery of the red rain. One of the initial theories proposed to explain the blood rain was as captivating as it was unsettling: extraterrestrial origins. Could this be debris from a meteor, carrying with it microscopic life forms from outer space? The idea, while seemingly far-fetched, wasn't entirely implausible. Scientists have long known that meteorites can carry organic molecules, the building blocks of life. This theory, however, soon faced scrutiny. Analysis of the red particles in the rainwater revealed a surprising fact. They resembled biological cells. Could these be extraterrestrial microbes raining down on Earth? The mystery deepened as scientists began to investigate the true nature of these microscopic passengers. As scientists delved deeper into the mystery of the red rain, their attention turned towards a more earthly explanation: airborne spores. This hypothesis suggested that the red particles found in the rain were not extraterrestrial in origin, but rather something more familiar and terrestrial. The idea was that these particles could be spores, which are known to be incredibly resilient and capable of surviving extreme conditions. Spores, microscopic reproductive units produced by fungi and some plants, are incredibly resilient and can survive harsh conditions. They can be carried by the wind over long distances, and some can even endure the vacuum of space. This resilience makes them a plausible candidate for the mysterious red particles. Researchers discovered that the red particles in the rainwater closely resembled the spores of a type of algae, specifically a genus called Trentipolia. This genus of algae is known for its reddish pigments, which can give water a blood-red appearance when present in large quantities. This algae is known to produce reddish pigments, which could explain the blood-red color of the rain. The presence of these pigments in the spores could account for the unusual coloration observed during the red rain events. The spores, lifted into the atmosphere by strong winds, could have then been carried by rain clouds and deposited on the ground, resulting in the strange phenomenon witnessed in Kerala. This natural process, involving the transportation of spores by wind and rain, provides a compelling explanation for the red rain, linking it to known biological and meteorological phenomena. While scientists were busy analyzing the red rain, the local communities in Kerala were grappling with their own interpretations of the event. The phenomenon was not just a scientific curiosity, but a deeply personal and communal experience for the people. Conversations buzzed in markets, homes, and temples, each person offering their own perspective on what the blood rain signified. Folklore and mythology are deeply intertwined with everyday life in Kerala, and the blood rain was quickly woven into the fabric of local narratives. Elders recounted ancient stories that seemed to predict such events, while new tales were spun to explain the mysterious phenomenon. The red rain became a topic of storytelling, enriching the cultural tapestry of the region. Some saw it as a sign of divine wrath, a celestial warning of forgotten traditions or transgressions. Religious leaders urged communities to reflect on their actions and seek forgiveness. Temples saw an increase in visitors, all hoping to appease the gods and understand the divine message behind the blood rain. Others interpreted it as a blessing in disguise, a sign of fertility and abundance. Farmers in particular saw the red rain as an omen of a bountiful harvest. Celebrations erupted in some villages, with people rejoicing at the prospect of prosperity and good fortune. The red color, after all, is associated with life and vitality in many cultures. In Kerala, red is a prominent color in festivals, rituals, and daily life, symbolizing energy, power, and renewal. The blood rain, with its striking hue, resonated deeply with these cultural symbols. Regardless of the specific interpretations, the blood rain served as a powerful reminder of the close relationship between nature and culture. It highlighted how natural phenomena are not just scientific occurrences, but also cultural events that shape and are shaped by the communities that experience them. The blood rain in Kerala became a symbol of the intricate dance between the environment and human life, a testament to the enduring bond between the two. Despite the plausible explanation of airborne algae spores, the blood rain in Kerala presented unique challenges for scientists. Analyzing biological material collected from such an unusual event required specialized techniques and a cautious approach. The spores themselves, while visually similar to known species of, exhibited some unusual characteristics. Their behavior and genetic makeup didn't entirely match any previously documented species, leaving some questions unanswered. Section 6. Beyond our atmosphere, astrobiology, and atmospheric anomalies. The blood rain in Kerala, even with its likely explanation, opened up a Pandora's box of questions about our atmosphere and the potential for life beyond Earth. Could similar events have occurred in the past, shaping the course of life on our planet? The event reignited interest in the field of astrobiology, the study of the origin, evolution, and distribution of life in the universe. It also highlighted the complex and often unpredictable nature of atmospheric phenomena. Section 7. Bridging the gap. When science meets public curiosity. The mystery of the blood rain in Kerala, shrouded in both scientific inquiry and cultural interpretations, served as a powerful bridge between science and public curiosity. It reminded us that even in the 21st century, there are still mysteries to be solved, phenomena that challenge our understanding of the natural world. The event sparked public dialogue and engagement with scientific research, demonstrating the power of unexplained phenomena to capture the imagination and inspire a thirst for knowledge. Section 8. Unanswered questions, the future of blood rain research. While the most likely explanation for the blood rain in Kerala points towards airborne algae spores, many questions remain unanswered. What were the specific atmospheric conditions that led to such a massive and concentrated dispersal of spores? Were there any unique biological characteristics of the spores themselves that contributed to the event? Further research into the unusual properties of the collected spores combined with atmospheric modeling and analysis could provide valuable insights into this rare phenomenon. Section 9. A window into the unknown. The blood rain in Kerala, though a localized event, offered a glimpse into the vast and mysterious workings of our planet and beyond. It served as a potent reminder of how much we still don't know about the delicate balance of our atmosphere, the possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe, and the intricate interplay between nature and human culture. As we continue to explore the natural world, we're bound to encounter more such enigmatic events. By embracing scientific curiosity and engaging in open dialogue, we can unravel these mysteries and gain a deeper understanding of our place in the universe.